said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. Everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in.
What's y'all? What's poppin'? Today I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna ask people on Monkey who look better, me versus celebrity. To make it interesting, if people choose celebrities more than me, I'll upload another video this week. Bars, nigga. If people choose me more than celebrities, I'm gonna upload another video when I feel like it. Just make it do what it do. I got a question. What? Based on looks, right? Who look better, me or Chris Brown?
Bitch, I know you fucking lied. I know you fucking lied. Because
you sound a little better than, hold on. Like Chris Brown, like Chris Breezy. Like I woke up Chris Breezy, like that nigga.
Yes, you.
this is beyond me. What? You acting out of character.
I can't tell me nothing. She said I look better than Chris Brown. Nigga, I'm fucking boom, 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 boom. That's what your body say. I ain't gonna put it up there, but bro, girl answered the phone, she was just twerking. She ain't had no booty, like it was just straight back, my nigga. I can't be on this app. I'm sorry. It looked like this. I'm just trying to ask y'all questions. That's it. Listen, I'm just trying to ask y'all questions. That's it. That's it. What y'all got going on, bro? Oh, Who look better, me or Michael B. Jordan?
Both of y'all.
You gotta pick one.
Michael B. Jordan.
See, they be trying to have conversations. I got a girlfriend. I ain't trying to talk to y'all. I just want to ask my question and go. That's it. Like, I'll be like, who look better, me or da 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 da? They be like, you. And I'm like, all right, thank you. And they be like, all right, so what? No. That's it. That's the end. That's it. I ain't come here for all of that. I ain't come here for all that. I just came to ask my question. That's it. I just came to ask my question. Alright, so boom. I got a question. You ready? I got a question. Oh my. Oh my. I just want to ask my question. Like, why y'all hoes I just want to ask my question and go. Alright, so boom. I got a question. Who look better, me or Kodak Black? He a what? What? She said that's her husband. Bitch. You know what? You know what? That's it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up. I ain't gonna tell nobody. If you want me to make more videos like this, comment below. Cause this right here, ridiculous. Oh my god. Niggas don't want to answer my questions. It's too many niggas on this app. Hoes keep skipping me. I'm tired. Make sure you turn on my notifications on YouTube, cause you know what I'm saying. Just turn on my notifications for every social media app you follow me on, because YouTube be tripping, and I want you to niggas see my videos if you subscribe to me. If you're not following me on Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat, what's up with that?